Well, today might be a good day to visit more of the indoor sections of the conservatory if you're going to stop by.
Yeah.
It's going to warm up, it sounds like, but it's still pretty chilly out there.
Yeah, or even, a lot of people headed off to snow trails or even Mad River Mountain. And today's actually probably going to be the best day to get out there. You might not need all the layers on as you're out there enjoying some of the slopes, but at least they're really making some snow. Here's a live look out there. It's kind of hard to see with the amount of snow that they're making. Again, this is not falling here. That is the snow that they're making, but the trails really look nice up there. So if you did want to head that way, kind of a nice start to the weekend to do that. By Sunday, we're going to be tracking some rain, so it really could be pretty messy and hard for them to make snow. So I definitely say go today rather than tomorrow, or at least wait till Monday and Tuesday. And speaking of, we do have a little bit of a warm up to talk about. Not going to be as cold as temperatures make their way into the upper 30s throughout the day today, but definitely doesn't feel like it out there this morning. We're still hanging out in the teens and even single digits. Feels like it's, it's 8 degrees out in MacArthur, 11 in Lancaster, and even 12 here in Columbus. But this is what it feels like. It feels like it's 4 in Logan, feels like it's 8 in MacArthur, and feels like it's 2 here in Columbus. And we really don't have that much of a breeze going on out there. It's just with how cold it is, any bit of a breeze will do. And we'll continue to see that the next few hours this morning. High pressure will keep us calm in the forecast throughout the day today. We'll see a good amount of sunshine to start off your day and even throughout the afternoon. So it'll be chilly, but underneath that sunshine, it should feel really nice to head into the first half of the weekend. Late tonight, we will have our next weather maker head our way. That's going to bring a few showers to the area. Did have the chance for a bit of a wintry mix in our earlier models, but so far this is just looking like plain old rain. That'll move in late tonight and continue throughout the early part of your Sunday. And then that front will push throughout the area tomorrow, bringing us yet another round of some cold to frigid air as we kick off the upcoming work week. But talking about the day today, it'll be chilly out there throughout a good chunk of the day. Highs making it into the mid to upper 30s. It's pretty on par for where we should be this time of year. And with that sunshine, it should feel nice. Rain will move in right around 10, 11, and even midnight here in central Ohio. Let me show you. So again, most of the day here will be dry. We'll have a few more clouds roll into the area right around 6, 7 o'clock. And then closer to 10 o'clock tonight, that's when we'll start to see some very light scattered showers move in. So if you're headed off to the Blue Jackets game, you may need that umbrella at least as you head home. Throughout the overnight, that's when we're really expecting that rain to pick up. Heavy at times. Here's a look at 3 a.m. So you may be waking up to that in the middle of the night, that kind of falling on your roof. And then early tomorrow morning, we are going to be tracking that lingering rainfall for you. Most of that should be pushing off to the eastern side of the state by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. A few scattered showers right around the late morning, early afternoon, and then some drier air will start to work in for the second half of the day. I'd say by 2, 3, 4 o'clock, that's when we'll start to see some drier conditions across the region. Cloudy and much colder air will move in as we head into the second half of your Sunday. Speaking of that rainfall, because our ground is frozen and some areas still pretty saturated, especially south of I-70, we may have some flooding issues because tomorrow in some of those heavier pockets of rain, we could quickly see half of an inch to almost an inch, especially for folks closer to the Jackson and even MacArthur area. So something to watch for tomorrow out in those spots that you need to keep an eye on over the next 24 hours. Throughout the day today, temperatures will make their way into the mid to upper 30s, a bit warmer than what we saw yesterday. That 42-degree number you're seeing, that's going to be early in the morning. Temperatures will fall throughout the day, especially as the rain moves out of the region, and that rain should be out of here by 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow, but still going to be pretty soggy on your Sunday. Much colder Monday and Tuesday with temperatures only hanging out in the 20s, mornings back into the teens, so don't put away that winter gear just yet. And then we have a little bit of a warm up to talk about by the end of next week. Not really tracking many precipitation here, but we do have the chance for a wintry mix on Saturday.